For those looking to seriously boost their laptop's memory, the Timetec 160GB DDR4 SODIMM kit is a compelling option. This kit packs a massive 160GB of RAM, spread across 10 16GB modules. Designed for laptops, mini PCs, and all-in-one devices that support DDR4 SODIMM. This kit aims to deliver a significant performance uplift, especially for demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and running virtual machines. The Timetec kit boasts a speed of 3,200 MHz, but it's important to note that it will automatically adjust to 2,933 MHz or 2,666 MHz if your system doesn't support the higher speed. This ensures compatibility across a wider range of laptops. The kit operates at a standard 1.2V and features a CL22 timing, which is fairly typical for SODIMM modules of this capacity and speed. One of the key advantages of this kit is its sheer capacity. 160GB of RAM is overkill for most users, but for professionals and power users who frequently work with large datasets, complex simulations, or multiple virtual machines, it can be a game changer. The increased memory capacity can significantly reduce loading times, improve multitasking performance, and prevent slowdowns caused by memory bottlenecks. The modules are dual-rank, which can offer a slight performance advantage over single-rank modules in some systems. They are also non-ECC unbuffered, which is standard for laptop memory. Installation is straightforward, simply requiring you to insert the SODIMM modules into the appropriate slots in your laptop. Timetec offers a lifetime warranty and free technical support, which provides peace of mind and ensures that you're covered in case of any issues. It's always reassuring to know that the manufacturer stands behind their product. However, it's crucial to verify compatibility with your specific laptop model before purchasing this kit. Not all laptops support 16GB SODIMM modules, and even fewer support a total of 160GB of RAM. Consult your laptop's manual or the manufacturer's website to confirm the maximum supported memory capacity and the type of SODIMM modules required. In conclusion, the Timetec 160GB DDR4 SODIMM kit is a high-capacity memory upgrade designed for users who demand the best possible performance from their laptops. While it may be overkill for everyday tasks, it can provide a significant boost for demanding applications and workflows. Just be sure to check compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.